Hello. In this tutorial, this was a request from a subscriber. I'm going to do a tutorial on cherry pink and apple blossom white. I have just pulled up a version of MuseScore, so I'm going to pop it up on the screen here, but you can go and find it from MuseScore. I'll put a link down below. It's in F major, so that means we'll just figure out where we need to put our fingers. So we can play all of this in first position. For F major, the key signature is actually B flat. So it's actually a duet too. So I'm only going to teach you the top line because that's the main melody. The second line is a harmony line. So on the G string, we only go as low as the third finger C in that top part. So we just need our regular position for our third finger. On the D string, we're going to have E natural, normal first finger, then F natural, going to be right next to it. So a low shape, a space to third finger G, and if you were to use your fourth finger A, it would be like that. So it's a low shape on the D string, and then on the A string, we need to make that B flat. So instead of our regular position for our first finger, we're going to pull it back for a low first finger, then a tone, a whole step to your second finger C natural, and a whole step to your third finger D. And if you're going to use your fourth finger, it'll be a whole step as well, so it would be an open shape. Okay? Alternatively, we can use the open E string there. And on the E, we will also need F natural, so it's also going to be our low first finger. So I'll just go through those notes again. So on the G string, we just need the third finger C. I don't think we need anything other than that. On the D string, so just playing up and up each note. So D, E natural, F natural, G natural, A natural. So our low shape. On the A string, first finger B flat, tone to C, tone to D, and a tone to E. And then on the E string, low one F natural, and a tone to G. And I think that's as high as we go on the E string. Okay, so we're going to start with that third finger, C on the G string. Then low 2 for F natural, cherry, open A, 2, low 1, O, 1, O, 3, 1, nice and long, C, second finger on the A string, then 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, O, 2. Of course, you can use the open E there. And if you choose to do that, so I'll tell you the benefits of both ways. If you're really struggling with your fourth finger and you really don't want to use it, you can use your open E. I would use my fourth finger in this occasion because it's only one note. I don't need to play any other notes on the E string. So I would simply put it on the A string for the simplicity of the bowing. However, if you want to go to the E string, I encourage you to try to do a tunnel, which means 2, 3, you're going to keep that 3 down. Make sure your fingers are not falling this way and touching the E string. You're going to keep that elbow through, keep those fingers lifted and rounded over so that your fingers are not touching the E string. And then, 2, 3, E, keep your third finger on the A string, and that's what I call a tunnel. So you've got a tunnel through here where the train can travel through on the E string here, right? So that way you don't have to re-find your third finger. So what I mean by that is, if you take it off, you have to find it again, right? So you go 2, 3, E, 3, 2, low 1, O, 2. So you've got a few options there. All right, the next bar is the same as the beginning, I think. So 3, 2 on the D, A, 2, low 1 on the A, O, 1, A, 3 on the D, now 3 on the A, then a rest, 2, A, 3, 2. Nice and long. Same as again from the beginning. So those 4 bars were exactly the same as the first 4 bars. 3, 2, O. This is the same again. 3, 3. Rest, 2 on the A, 3 on the D, and F natural. So there's a lot of repetition in there. Now we're into a new part. So first finger on the E string, F natural. Remember, it's a low first finger. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, O. 3 on the A. 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Low 1, 1, 1, 1. And back to the first finger on the E string, low 1. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Low 1, O, 3, 2. Now we go to the G string. So 2 on the D string, 3 on the G string, and you just want to keep your 2 in position. A little bit like the tunnel I was talking about before, but not exactly the same. It's sort of going the opposite way, right? So 2, you're going to play 2 on the D string, then the 3 on the G string, and then the same 2 again on the D string. So I always talk to students about don't think of each string as one separate thing. So you don't have to have all the fingers on that one string that you're playing. It's more of a block across all 4 strings, or not always all 4 of them, but just think of it more as a block that can be across several strings. So here we want to think of, you want to keep your 2 in position on the D string for your F natural while you play your 3, because it guides your 3. So you can feel your tone. I mean, obviously you need to practice that, you know, but if you take it off, it's kind of just like, where do I go? It doesn't really know. So you keep your 2 here, you step your 3 over, and you come straight back to your 2. You don't have to find it again. So we're going, this is bar 24, by the way. So 2, 3, 2, open A, 2 on the A, low 1, A, low 1, A, 3 on the D, low 1 on the A, nice and long. 2, this is like the beginning again, I think. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, low 1, O. Nice and long. Second finger on the A. Back to the 3 on the G, 2 on the D, A, low 2, 1, O, 1, A, 3 on the D, 3 on the D, A, rest, 2, A, 3 on the D, and really long. So this is a non, I had to listen to this because I actually didn't know this piece, this song. So it's quite a jazzy kind of, or it sounds a bit bossa nova-ish or something, is it, I think. But it's a bit, it might be a little bit more swung in the way some people perform it. This is a very strict written one, so you learn the notes and then play around with the rhythm how you like it, if you know the piece, right? So I'll just have a little play through the whole thing. at Violin with Catherine, please make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button down below. If you would like some other tutorials and free sheet music, grab my free sheet music below and you can find all the tutorials here on my YouTube channel. If you have any other pieces or tutorials that you would love to see, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you would like me to cover in other tutorials, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day.